lift the tendon in case of tennis elbow or something. Okay, so there the technique will change a bit, right? Okay, all right. Now, say for example, you want to lift, you want to decompress any tendon. It can be any tendon, okay, which is actually superficial, not a deeper tendon. So for that, what you will do, now tendon is not very big, it is a smaller area. So that's why, say for example, for tennis elbow case or for D. Quervain's case, you have tendon over here, right, which you want to do that snap box thing. Now for tennis elbow, if you want to do it, it is over here, the tendon. So this is a small area. So if you use two big strips, then it will be too much, right? So what you can do is take one strip, okay? There is no size in this. It just has to cover that area, okay? Now divide this into two. Now round it. Okay. Now what I'll do is, say for example, I want to apply it on the tennis elbow. Visible, right? Huh. So this is the tendon. Now I want to lift this area up because always the pain is over here, right? So I want to lift this up. So what I'll do is, the technique remains the same, that 50% stretch in the center. Okay, so I'm putting it 30 to 50% stretch over there and ends without stretch. Okay, so another strip below it and end without stretch. Now you can put two strips this way also, in cross also. Okay, say for example, you don't want to put the strip in a linear manner, then what you can do is just cross it over this way. So this will also lift the tendon. Okay, clear? So that's the decompression taping. Okay, now let me tell you the removal of tape, which is very important, right? How to remove the tape. Now, say for example, you want to remove this tape, okay? You are not going to just pull it out. It will make the skin blister. Okay? So what you will do, just peel the tape a bit, press the skin down. Okay, press the skin down. Now you will have to make it perpendicular. So you will be pulling it perpendicular. Keep pressing the skin and pull the tape perpendicularly. This way. Okay. Another way, you can roll it down. Keep pulling the skin, pushing the skin as in, and roll the tape down. And it has to be along the hair growth. Don't do it against it. And hair is a contraindication. If your patient is having hair on the skin, don't tape it. Okay? So you have to ask your patient always to trim hair before you tape. Okay? And sometimes they shave it off and there are small cuts because of the shaving. That's a problem with taping, because over there then what will happen? The patient will definitely get a blister. Okay? So this way we can remove it. I like this one, that pushing the skin and perpendicular one. It is less painful for the patient. Now in sensitive cases, whenever there is a sensitive case, say for example pediatric or some geriatric cases there, or some very sensitive patient, then in those cases you have to always and always put the water spray, okay, wet it and then remove it slowly, right? You get the removal sprays also, you get the adherent sprays also. So you put the tape, over that you put the adherent spray. it will make it stick more. Okay, and the removal sprays, you put the removal spray and you can remove it easily, but the cost effectiveness is not there. Okay, so there you have to actually see.